I saw the ad for
We
it,
had
though.
the Easter bunny. We had kids getting rides in the Deuce and a Half. We had 2 hee-haw buses doing fishing tours. We did farm tours on the same track we're on now.
Deal, I'll just...
I scoot over. So
It's nice when the bus stops. It's just.
You're fine. You're fine.
Okay, guys, our driver's name is Alberto. He comes from a little town called Ruiz in Mexico.
There's one more
He's been
seat
coming now
left.
for 12 years. We actually bring in about 90 guys a year. Back in the heyday, we were bringing in about 120. So, what you're on here is actually a paper road called Easton Road. So it actually shows up on your GPS. About a 200-pound root ball and added to the sides of the tree. And most people are used to going to Home Depot and Lowe's and buying something they can pick up with their hand. This is something you got to pick up with a loader, or at least have set in your truck, put on a board, and have the hole dug and ready for when you get there. This is the time to start prepping the fields for planting. You'll be able to see that around the corner. 2 years ago, we planted 8 really left. Are you trying to dig one at your house? I can show you the size ball you need to dig. I might just call you that. Okay. We actually have a machine that's a spade that goes in the ground, picks it up and sets it in the basket. Now, arborvitae, we've sold a whole lot of arborvitaes this year because all the snowstorms they had up north. What happens with arborvitae? We'll be building docks here in the next couple months and have little runabout boats with trolling motors on them. Want to hold as many as 4,000 plants. So that is the kind of stuff that is we're leaning into getting into production. First thing we did when we got here was clean it up. That doesn't look like we've done that now because we're digging so much we haven't been able to bush hog. One bush hogging on the property and the plant material will show a lot better. I think the largest is
I waited a long time for a little girl. She's my buddy. She's my shopping buddy.
From where y'all are sitting, right there. That black in there is nothing but bees stacked real tight. And you really could see. Come on, sit in the back. It well. I don't want to aggravate them with this many children. I don't mind getting myself stuck, but I don't want to get y'all stuck. So that day, looking to get as many kids, boys down to churches. Okay. Let's stop here. You want to get the kids out and let them touch California. They've never been to California. They definitely want to come see this.
Hi.
Hey guys, when you get home, get your parents to look up on the internet. They actually have roads that go through the middle of these trees.
Amy, here. Hey, kind, you want to touch the tree?
I don't want to do it yet.
Really?
Got your camera?
Did you keep it?
Hey, Kai.
I did. Except for I was shooting and I bumped the edge of the lens, I guess, and it fell out.
Picture goes by. You even have your picture. How cute. All right, everybody. 1, 2, 3, cheese. All right, one more time. You got it. Good job, guys.
You guys gonna get your parents to look up on the internet the tree that you can drive a car through?
Ooh. Drive your car through a tree? Yeah, so just pick which one that you like and then I'll print it.
If it was like September or October, y'all see probably 8 deer in the woods right beside us. Mason to the right. That's Buddy Jr. He runs all the grades on the farm. He's been here for 26 years.
Yeah, they're by
He operates everything here from a very large John Deere tractor, excavator, bulldozers. He even makes runs up to New York City with plant material.
I was
18-wheeler.
about trying to do something through the summer. Maybe we can bounce some ideas off each other.
Main road. This is our hee-haw bus coming up. Road in the center. And they cut cane homes here on the farm. Every kid here fished, I think out of probably 600 kids. I'll show you where they are, and then you can calculate safe in your own mind. This plant to the left is called burning bush. It's soybean.
Okay.
These are red buds. This is a beautiful plant. Now, but I don't know if anybody remembers, we had an 18-degree day in this little house, a little cellar, where we bring in bare root material and store it, have the dirt on top so it stays nice and cool. That's just not a big pile of weeds. There's actually plant material in that building. Is that it? Oh yeah. So y'all realize that that's where y'all were a couple minutes ago. On the side of the brick. Now you know where they came from? Whites. Y'all want to get out and look at the flowers? Haven't rolled anything. I actually bathed them this weekend, so they're good. But there's no telling what they've rolled in since they've been there.
Oh, I love moss rose.
So has anybody ever been to White's Old Mill Garden out in Deep Creek? They do all our contract growing. They've grown about 70,000 for us this year. This is all stuff that you'll see on Bass Lake properties. And the house right beside it is where we'll start doing all the clippings.
Oh, okay.
And we'll tie them together, root tone them, and then that'll actually hold about 70,000 plants.
Yeah, she's black. She's hot. That's the heat. So gorgeous.
You want to grab one for each kid? Why don't y'all pick out which one you want? Everybody take one. Just the kids. Yeah.
Mommy's like,
Mom or Dad, and
Just
find
kids.
a plant that you like, and they can.
oh, Ashlyn, I love you so much. I love moss roses. Like, what does she grab? Thank you. This one's pink.
I'm just going to count them once you get up there so my flower guy doesn't yell.
The red one?
You want the purple one? Liking patience, huh?
How pretty, Emmy.
I think I just walked into a post. There you go. Very pretty, Em.
Nice. That's so pretty.
It is. How fast do you think we can kill it?
No.
Mommy, what get these for you?
Oh, you want one of these
I
too?
can do full sun.
You didn't do wrong with Armenia? Or was it a shade? Really? The hardest. But we do have all the in the world with this thing.
Is that what you want?
It's just beautiful, so peaceful.
Well, it's like this every day, even a bad day. If you just walk outside and just walk away from everybody,
It's
it
just
gets
beautiful.
better.
It's just nice because you're so close to the city.
Come on.
Uh-oh.
And that's old school and new school. We bought the farm with a corporation called Hickory Farms, and Greenbrier is old school. We call her Briar. She's trying to get my teeth.
Careful.
You can't be walking on your
Last
back.
night's operation run out of the
I think that dog likes you,
all
Maddie.
the superintendents for landscaping and maintenance. Over here in the block building, we fixed all the hundreds of lawnmowers.
She's getting hot, isn't it? I don't care.
Well,
Perfect.
great.
Oh, so then I know what you mean.
Here, girls. Keep your hand.
It still squirts out so fast.
What'd you think?
I like it.
Come on, girls. Y'all can all sit right here. So they can see me over here. Hey, John.
All right, guys, scoot together. Which way you want to go, John? Okay.
Hey, did you have fun? What was your favorite part?
The tractor.
The tractor? What color was that tractor?
Ryan and Hayden.
Awesome.
Good job, bud.
Open this.
How you doing?
Truck it.
What was your favorite part?
I get flower red.
You got a flower? What
Yeah.
color was your flower?
It's red and it's pink and blue.
Red, pink, and blue?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's my favorite color.
I've never seen a flower all three colors. Think you're onto something. You may want to plant those.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emmy. Happy birthday to you. God our Father, once again, we will ask our blessing. We will ask our blessing. Amen. Amen. All right.
I remember the days. Just credit for being here. Okay.
I love that guinea pig though. I think he's cute too. The guinea pig.
Yeah.
And he hangs with the bunnies.
He thinks he's a bunny though.
I can imagine. He's been hanging with them.
He's been brainwashed for the last month and a half.
Do not chase the bunny. Do not put your foot by the bunny.